Hello friends, welcome to your channel FINOMENT. Today we will be discussing all about the ETF, how ETFs are getting popular day by day and how the investment in the ETF by the investor is getting increasing day by day. So before moving ahead, we will briefly discuss about the benefits of investing in ETF, that is exchange traded fund. First, it provides a diversification of portfolio. If you are investing in one unit of ETF, your portfolio gets diversified because here the basket of the stocks will come in one ETF. For example, if you are buying Nifty 50 ETF, then all the 50 companies which are there in Nifty 50 Index will come under one roof. Okay, so it is a very good benefit. Second, low risk with reasonable return. Here the volatility in the index as compared to the stock is very low, so these are very risky because stocks are very volatile. So a stock can move up and down like anything, but indexes are very less volatile, and therefore these are less low risk and it will provide you reasonable returns. Now most important, you can buy and sell this ETF like stocks. You can share how you can trade in this way also. On real time basis you can buy and sell. And fourth, here unlike mutual fund, there is no expense ratio and exit load which applicable in mutual fund. Here you have to pay little brokerage to the broker. Other than that, there is no any such charges. Now let's move. There are several categories of ETFs available in the market. First is based on large cap category. Okay, most fund houses have ETF linked to the Nifty 50 ETF which tracks the Nifty 50 index. Then Sensex ETF which track the Sensex index, and Nifty Next 50 ETF which track the Nifty Next 50 index. Move to the mid cap based ETF. So as of now, there are only three mutual fund companies have this mid cap category ETF. Now as the name suggests, these are the ETF that track the mid cap companies. Motilal Oswal have mid cap 100 ETF which track the mid cap 100 index, and Nippon and ICICI Prudential have mid cap 150 ETF that track the Nifty Midcap 150 index. Now next availability of ETF is multi-cap based ETF. Here the most important is that you if you are buying this ETF, your portfolio is diversified in well manner because all the category of stocks is covered under this ETF, large cap, mid cap as well as in small cap. Currently there is only one ETF in this category, that is ICICI Prudential S&P Bombay Stock Exchange 500 ETF which track the S&P BSE 500 index. But we could soon see several more ETF in this category where the investor can get the exposure across large cap, mid cap as well as in small cap. Next ETF is based on sector and theme. There are several sector based ETF which give investor exposure. For example, infra ETF, banking ETF, then PSU bank, IT, pharma, healthcare, etc. Also in those who want to invest in government PSU companies, so PSU ETF is also available. Next, based on gold ETF. Gold ETF was first launched in 2007. Now most fund houses are offering this ETF. Here the investor get the exposure of the gold. Here they need not buy to physical gold. Without buying physical gold, you can invest in gold. We could also here soon see silver ETF because now SEBI is also amending its regulation to bring in the silver ETF. So we could probably see very soon silver ETF also without buying silver physically. And last category is debt ETF. This is another growing category of ETF which give exposure of bond to the investor. Here the mutual fund company invest in PSU bonds of the PSU companies as well as government security bond, etc. Recently you have seen Axis Mutual Fund has launched its AAA plus bond. Now the most important part, how the participation of investor is increasing. Okay, as you can see in 30th September 2019, the size of the ETF, that is asset under management, was just 1.47 lakh crore, which got 2.5 times in just a period of 2 years. As of 30th September 2021, you can see this figure has increased to 3.62 lakh crore. Means more people are investing in ETF. Almost 2.5 times investment money has flowed into ETF. Means more participation has been shown from the investor. Next we see the other data, that is the investor participation mainly was from HNI client. Earlier it was from HNI, high net, big rich people, big bull investors, then institutional investor like banking, insurance company, etc. But as per the AMFI, that is Association of Mutual Fund of India, quarterly data shows that investor participation has also gradually increased. In September 2020 it was around 34-35 lakh, now has increased to more than double in 1 year, that is an increase to 67 lakh in September 2021. Means retail are also participating in ETF. Mutual fund companies are now entering into ETF by launching the different categories and types of ETF to meet the interest of the investor. As you have seen that many mutual fund companies have recently launched various ETF. That's why the fund houses now are busy in filing ETF approval with the SEBI. If you feel that video is useful to you, then please do like our video and please subscribe to our channel FINOMENT if you have still not subscribed it, and press the bell button so that you will get the notifications for the next videos. And also please comment it in the comment box on which topic you want to watch the next videos.